Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If you're looking to improve your home's Wi-Fi coverage, this video is for you. I'll show you how to install and set up the TP-Link RE900XD AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 range extender using multiple setup methods. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a stronger Wi-Fi signal, better coverage, and a more reliable internet connection in every corner of your home. Follow each step carefully and get your extender running in just a few minutes. Follow each step carefully and get your extender running in just a few minutes. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the RE900XD into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to become solid. Keep your router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password ready. Download the TP-Link Tether app from your App Store if you prefer app-based setup. Now on your computer, phone, or tablet, open Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default network, TP-Link_Extender_XXXX, no password required initially. Launch a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari. Type tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254 into the address bar and hit enter. If setting up for the first time, you will be asked to create an admin password. Choose a strong password and click Next. The extender will scan for available networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz 5 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Next. The extender will connect to your home Wi-Fi. Choose whether to keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, or set a new one for the extended network. Click Finish to save the settings. Now unplug the extender and move it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Check the signal LED, blue and green means good location or red and off means move closer to the router. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.